Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to step number 13 in how to create a Wix website. Now in the previous video guys, we went ahead and talked about blogs and how we can create and customize our blogs. Now with that said guys, in this video we're going to go ahead and take a look at how we can use third-party Wix apps to further enhance our features and functionality for our Wix website. So let's go ahead and do that right now guys. Let's go back to our Wix account. So once we're on our Wix account guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out how we can go ahead and select and download our Wix apps. So to download a Wix app guys, we can scroll over to our left side right here and select this third option right here. And then once we do that guys, we will be directed to this page right here where we have the various Wix applications available to us. Now a quick point about these apps guys is over here you can go ahead and see the rating for the app. So we can see that this app has a 5-star rating rated by 171 people and about 200,000 installs. Okay, so that gives you a good indication of how many people use this app and how recommended it is. So that's pretty cool. Now if you're looking for a particular app, you can go ahead and type the app in the search bar right here, or you can go ahead and search it by the different categories right here, for example. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Furthermore guys, if we scroll down over here, we have the different categories available to us. We can see we have social, form, chat, business tools, so on and so forth. Now the first thing that I would recommend guys as far as getting a Wix app is to go ahead and take a look at these must-have apps right here. Now these are very important apps in terms of having functionality for your website. So this is usually where I start. So go ahead and press the view apps button. And then once you do that guys, you can see that we have different apps available to us over here. Now we can see over here guys that if you have an app installed, there will be a marker over here which says installed. So you don't have to actually, be concerned about installing it again. All right. So once we have that done guys, let's go ahead and actually get an app for example purposes. So for this example guys, I'm going to go ahead and actually get this Wix Chat app right here. Okay. We can see it has a 4.5-star rating and it has about 100,000 installed. So it's pretty good. Okay. So let's go ahead and install it. It's a free app to install. We can simply go ahead and press this button right here to install it. So once we do that guys, we can see that this pop-up appears over here, which has our application Wix Chat. And if we scroll down, we can press the get started button right here. So once we do that guys, we can see the different settings available to us, which we can go ahead and begin customizing over here to figure out the different settings for our Wix app. Okay, so we can see the different layouts we can go ahead and pick, so on and so forth. Okay, and over here guys, we can see that on the bottom right over here, we have our Wix Chat app right here. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So once we have that done guys, we can go ahead and press the settings button over here, and that's how you can get this box again. Okay, so that's how you can go ahead and customize the different things over here. Now let's say for example, if you want to go ahead and actually remove the app, you can do so very easily by just right clicking it and then pressing the button over here to remove it. So that's how you can go ahead and use these different Wix application guys. It's pretty straightforward stuff and I just wanted to give you a quick example of how you can do so. Now very quickly guys, one more thing before I wrap this up. If we go to our site tab once again, and if we go ahead and press my dashboard over here, let's give it a second. So once we do that guys, we will be directed to this page right here. And over here guys, we can see the different things that we have over here. We have our Wix blog. And if we scroll down over here guys, we can see that some of these recommended Wix apps are over here. So these are some of the recommended Wix apps that are recommended by Wix themselves. So it will be cool to actually, go ahead and download these too if you want. So with that said guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you how you can go ahead and select and download your Wix app. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.